Welcome to this new demo of Constellator GNSS Simulator. In this video, we will configure and launch a scenario to test the resilience of a receiver against a GNSS spoofing attack. As always, let's open the configuration panel and activate the GPS constellation and L1CA signals from the Constellation tab. In the User Motion tab, we will be using an external trajectory with the hardware in the loop Ethernet mode. Our attack will begin with a powerful jamming of GPS frequencies, following which the receiver will have to choose between two sources of similar signals: the real simulated GPS signal and the spoofed GPS signal. Let's configure our spoofer and set the spoofed GPS position to an altitude of 1,000 meters. Save the configuration, close the panel, and load. When starting the simulation, the server is waiting for the client for the hardware in the Loop Ethernet mode protocol, and you will find in the video description the link to the dedicated video of this Constellator feature. Initializing. And there we go. Our trajectory is a succession of ascents and descents, with an amplitude of 2,000 meters to clearly see the action of the spoofer. The receiver is doing great and has acquired all the simulated satellites. Let's activate the spoofer with the Commands widget and see what happens. The spoofed signals are now simulated, but the receiver has a lock on the legitimate simulated GPS signals. Let's now hit our receiver with a powerful jamming attack and see how it goes. The receiver cannot identify any signal and loses PVT. When we will stop the jammer, the receiver may be tricked and compute the spoofed signals, even if the genuine ones are still simulated. And stop. Our receiver is getting GPS signal again, but this time, it locked on spoofed signals. To see it clearly, just take a look at the altitude on the receiver's HMI and the one on the altitude profile of the Constellator. Spoofing is in progress. Let's now deactivate the spoofer. And there you go. The receiver is getting back to the genuine GPS signal and altitude is fluctuating. Thanks a lot for watching, and feel free to contact us if you have any questions.